When you want to use the Tricaster in an application where lots of inputs are required, maybe a sports event, a live event, or a broadcast, the best way to get more than 8 inputs into your Tricaster is with the Ensemble Designs router. Here's the Bright-Eye NXT router from Ensemble Designs. You get to configure the number of inputs and outputs it has. Also, the Avenue router from Ensemble Designs lets you configure the number of inputs and outputs as well. Let's look at our setup today. We got 3 cameras feeding inputs 1, 2, and 3 on the Tricaster. And we have an Ensemble router sitting in front of the Tricaster, allowing me to bring in 8 more sources into the Tricaster. Then we take the router outputs into the Tricaster 7 and 8 inputs. Looking at the control screen, you can see on the program row cameras 1, 2, and 3. Going down to input 7, right-click on it, and you can see all 8 router choices available to you. I'm using the panel just to prove to you that the routes are really happening. So as we switch between the different sources, you will see on the panel the routes are really changing. Now doing a dissolve between the program and preview row, we can dissolve between 2 of the router sources. So moving between 2 router sources here. And of course you can transition between one of the sources feeding the Tricaster directly and the router. Now the routers talk Grass Valley native protocol, which is what the Tricaster needs in order to communicate and make those routes. When you have a Tricaster that you want to use with a lot of input sources, the best way to do that is with a router from Ensemble Designs.